So hey guys, finally Oppo has revealed their Oppo Find smartphone, which is a folding device, and its specifications include it has a 7.1-inch inner display with a variable refresh rate LTPO panel with variable refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. It has a 1000 Hz soft touch sampling rate. And talking about the outer display, we have a 5.49-inch panel with 402 ppi, and it is a 60 Hz panel, so yeah, that's quite disappointing. It is powered by Snapdragon 888 with 12 GB of Lpddr5 Ram and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 base storage. Talking about the camera section, in camera we have a 50 megapixel Sony IMX1066 main sensor with a 16 megapixel ultra wide and a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. It comes with a 4500 mAh battery with 33 watt wired charging and also wireless charging support. Talking about the price starts from $1200 and goes till $1410, and it will sadly not come to the global market. That were all the specification of Oppo Find N. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.